Hey everybody, I know I've been MIA for a little while, but I'm here right now, so I'm going to do a really quick tour of my garden and kind of update you on what I've been doing. Just want to show you how my garden is doing so well. I'm so happy. These are the black cherry tomatoes, and I've been picking these like crazy. They are just coming out everywhere. I mean, every day I pick about 10 of them. They're really cool. And they're so good. They're really, really good. So right here is, remember, the oregano and the onions, and then the cilantro is bolting because it was hot here. Today it's really nice. This is our normal fog weather. This is so beautiful. I love this. But it has gotten warm, and cilantro doesn't like that, so we're gonna have to do something about that. So this is my dill. This is the grape tomatoes, and I have a bud on that one. This is my rosemary. And up here, this is my Thai basil that's doing really well. I'm so happy. I'm gonna plant some more of that probably this weekend. And here I have some radishes. And I just planted these just maybe 2 days ago, and they're sprouting already. So this is a maybe 4-inch deep container. So I'm going to try to do radishes in here. I don't know how it's going to work, but we're going to try. And then, of course, my onions. Over here are the tomato plants that I waited for forever from Burpee, and I have not planted yet because I haven't had time. These are zucchini plants that have to get planted probably Saturday. These are the ones that don't need sunlight, or they grow in cool weather. They don't need bees. So I'm real excited about those. These right here are the same, and they're doing really well, except for the snails are getting them, but these three are good. And actually, I have a zucchini on there. You can see that. I think that's the only one so far. Oh no, never mind. There's 3 of them on here. There's one right there, and there's one right there. So, yeah, they're doing really good. Oh, there's more on here. See, I haven't been out here since yesterday. So, over here are the beans that I planted by bean. I didn't buy the plants. More of the onions, and I can tell where the soil is really, really good, and then where the sun hits the most back here, because these are the ones that we started in the kitchen, and I've already taken a few snips off of these, and I have them spread out throughout the garden, and these are doing the best. So right here I have a couple crooknecks. Oh, 3 of them now. Didn't know that. That's pretty cool. These are my Mexican squash. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. There's a couple on there. They all have buds, and they all have zucchini on them. So my coworkers are going to be getting a lot of zucchini this summer. There's one right there. It looks really, really good, and the zucchini is fantastic. And also, the leaves are fantastic too. So I've been picking the leaves because I eat the leaves. They're really, really good. If you have not tried zucchini leaves, try them. They're awesome. So here is my spinach, and look at that. That's I need to pick the spinach again. It's growing like crazy, and yes, I planted everything way too close together. Big boo-boo on my part. I was trying to get my garden in, and it looks terrific, but it is just cramped. So the zucchini will do fine. They'll overlap each other. They'll do fine. Not worried about that. And I have to thin down my spinach. This is my eggplant, and I actually am getting one right there. Getting an eggplant on here. I need to get something to tie these up with so that they stand. There's another one over here. And I do have a couple onions in there too. And they seem to have kept out most of the snails that we have. So, I've got a weed back here too. Some of my zucchini, or my peppers, have buds on them. And my green beans probably are going to get to pick some fairly soon. There we go. You can see them all back in there. And they look really good. They look fantastic, actually. I mean, here's a big one. So, this first crop I will probably just eat, and then the second crop I'm going to can. We have lots coming out. They are just everywhere. So my peas, not doing great. So they don't like where they are. I think it gets too much sun. And we have such a problem out here with peas and molding, and then they die at the bottom. So I'm going to plant my pea seeds that I have in a different place in the garden. So there's all my peppers, and most of them have buds on them. They look really cool. So here's the garden looking this way. Then I'm going to take you over here because I have asparagus, and I've actually picked a few. These are, one is a 4-year-old plant and one is a 2-year-old plant. And hopefully I'll be getting some more real soon, and they are very, very good. Very sweet, very good. Here's one of my tomato plants. Now this is one of the ones that I got from Burpee. That was as big as the other ones in the little 2-inch pots. These have buds on them. Right there. They're coming out. So, yeah, this is going to be cool too. So I've got to plant all of those. Yeah, this is going to be like tomato row right here. So we're going to do all tomatoes. These are my cucumbers, and they've grown quite a bit since I've shown you guys the last time. We actually have a few cucumbers on there. Let's see. Lots of flowers. They're doing really, really well. I'm really, really happy with this. And I love where they are because we have a pipe here with water. Our ice machine drains out here. And again, the onions right there are doing really well. But the cucumbers are just loving all this water. So I've had problems in the past keeping them hydrated. And this year, nope, not so much. So, and again, you can eat the flowers. They're really good. This is part of the black cherry tomato. And this, oops, sorry about that. This I have to replant. This is an eggplant that's exactly as old as the other ones over here, but it's not doing well. So it needs more sun. This side of the garden doesn't get as much sun. Oh, we have a tomato, a little tomato, really tiny. Here we go. This is what we call the Chelsea tomato. These are sun golds, and they're usually much bigger than that. But they're really sweet. We're getting bigger ones. This is only the second one that I've picked of this, but there are a ton coming in on here. And some buds right here. So this is the other side. Get in here. And oh, there's a red tomato in there I need to pick. This is the black cherry tomato. I must have missed one. They're really hard to find sometime because it's so thick. It's like a little jungle in there. Oh, okay. So I have been busy working, making masks. Not so much cooking and canning. I really haven't done that. When I do that, it's usually on camera, but I hope to do that Saturday. I have Saturday free for my family, and probably gonna be gardening and doing some things. Maybe a can. Maybe make something that we can can. We'll see. So thanks for watching, you guys. Sorry it's been so long. And I will see you guys soon. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.